Hello friends, welcome to MLS Online Virtual Classroom. Today we are going to complete our words of page 16 of Unit 2. Open up your books. Unit 2 is about Leo Lily's adventure. Before letting you know about the topic, let us talk about some new words. Open up your books, page 16. We were left with some words. Let us find out the meanings of those words. Let us first review the rest of the words that we have studied or are going to study right now. Pine cone, peck, squawk, hunt, fight, worm, escape, berries, creep. We were left with these following words. Let us find out their meanings. Peck. Peck means to strike or pick up with the beak. You know what's a beak? Beak is the mouth opening of the birds. Birds use their beak to peck food, as you can see it in the picture as well. Pine cone. A cone of a pine tree. You probably have seen these pine cones whenever you go to Murree or Aptabad. There are a lot of pine trees over there. These are the cones which are present on the pine trees. They are called pine cone. Pine cones can be transformed into the decoration pieces. If you paint them, they become decoration pieces. Squawk. To make a harsh, short cry. Birds squawked loudly. This is the sound, a harsh, short cry type sound which the birds make. That is called squawk. Now there is a part B on this page 16. Complete the sentences, write the words which we have just studied. Now pause this video, complete this exercise. I'm waiting for you. I have solved this exercise for you as well. Let us match our answers. Birds dash at their food to eat it. They peck, they strike, they pick up their food. That is called peck. A dash grows on a pine tree. You've just studied it. You're very right. It's pine cone. Strawberries are my favorite kind of berry because they are one of the berries. Some animals in the rainforest dash for their food. They hunt for their food. The dog and the cat, they don't like each other. They often fight. A dash is a long, thin animal. It lives underground. Worm. Bobby's pet bird can dash out of the window. Escape. To get rid of, to get away, to get him or herself free. This is what escape means. Cats can dash very quietly. Other animals can't hear them coming. Creep. A movement without making any noise. Birds can dash loudly. It's a funny sound. Squawk. Now what you have to do is, you're already done with learning of the words which we have done in our previous lecture. Now learn the meaning of these words which we have just studied and write down the creative sentences of all these words on a loose sheet of paper. The words which we have studied in the first lecture and the words which we have studied in this lecture. The rest of these words, you're supposed to write down their creative sentences on a loose sheet of a paper. That's all for today.